19. 11 black steel. Is it just me, or every time something bad happens and it gets on the news, it's somebody that you know ain't never been in a fist fight, bust a grape, not anything. But we're gonna get to the guns in just a minute. Tef, come here. There is tampon shortages. There are baby formula shortages. There are folks that are getting rid of their dogs. Shortages. Well, if there ain't no kibble on the menu, there's home invaders on the menu. Get you a presser, not a chihuahua. Get it, Tef. Get it, Tef. Tell them, say, we eat raw meat around here. Oh man, that sounds like a chihuahua getting crunched. I'm not knocking a chihuahua, but what I'm saying is, no one can tell you what you need to feel safe and protected. Now to the tabletop. If you go backpacking and all you got is a fanny pack and a bottle of freaking water, that's on you. Hopefully there's somebody else that's filming it so we can see what happens when you try to talk a bear down with a fanny pack. If you go camping, take you a great knife. Hang on, let me see if I can get this out. Because if I kill an animal, we gotta eat. We all gotta eat. On this video, let me know which rifle would you choose for self-home defense. And which one is the bad? Oh my gosh, we gotta get rid of it. AR-15. I keep my AR-15, look, with a 20 round mag. And remember I told y'all I love classic, right? I love classic, but I can flip my AR into this right here. I have 8 rounds cut together like that, 8 mags. Can you pick 2 guns on the table that Black Steel hasn't even shot yet? I'm gonna count to 3. 1, 2, 3. These 2. Not one round have I put through. I told y'all I've been rocking with this for over 10 years now. Glock 10mm. Can't go wrong. Smith & Wesson 44 Magnum. Can't go wrong. AR-15. This is my Bushmaster. And I love Bushmaster. And I'm not knocking any other AR brand, but I love my Bushmasters. Every Bushmaster I've ever had has worked for me. I took this, added a heavy duty barrel on it. Everything is heavy duty on this rifle. It is heavier than, shoot. It's heavier than my shotgun. Everything is unloaded for this review. I love iron sights. But this is 19. Teflon, leave it. You ate raw meat? Get you one. Home invasion don't work around here. It don't work on Patriots. 19, 11 black steel, formerly known. You can call me Cowboy now.